Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how you can get available free Steam gift cards. First up, it's recommended you guys do this procedure from a mobile device because it makes getting the code easier. On your device, visit the website cryoflow.store, and once you are on the website, search Steam on the search box. Click on the first result and you should be redirected to the Steam gift cards page. In a few steps, you will have your code ready to redeem on Steam. Scroll down and click on the Show Coupon button. And when it loads, click the Unlock Code button. Once it finds available code, you go through a verification process to stop bots from obtaining the gift cards. The process takes a few minutes. Take your time and follow the instructions under 2 of the tasks. Once completed, the code is revealed and is ready to use. Hit the subscribe button if you want to be notified for more exclusive deals, discounts, and shopping tips.